know what she's thinking.
Basil and Bones already has an established restaurant in New York, and they've just expanded with an astonishing 8x28 concession trailer. This beauty is brimming with high quality, and it's ready to make lots of money. Envision a very busy kitchen ran by 8 crew members to run a very productive, serious, high-volume food traffic that can serve about 500 plus meals daily. This sandwich prep is perfect to organize and prep all the antipasto and sandwiches. 4-hole steam table can accommodate 2 servers to constantly pass food on each window. The standing double door fridge gives you plenty of room and storage for items that need to be kept cool. There's a 6-burner range with a griddle and 2 ovens. This convection oven is great for baking pasta, lasagna, mac and cheese, and then move the trays into the proofer heater cabinet right next to it.
You know you want this.
This one is taken, so get your own. Call Concession Nation to build your food trailer and start making your dream a reality.